Good morning. This is Dr. Ambed Raja, Head of the Department, PG Department of Computer Science, Tiruthanagala College. Today I am going to take the topic of Blue Eyes Technology. Blue Eyes Technology is an invention of new technology in the mode of new transmissions. The new transmissions, the content of various events, introduction, how can we make computers see and feel, technologies used in Blue Eyes Technology, how was the term Blue Eyes coined, techniques of Blue Eyes Technology, types of emotion sensors used to Blue Eyes Technologies, why a Blue Eyes, conclusions. So the introduction of the Blue Eyes Technology is a human cognition depends primarily on the perceive, interpret, and integrate audio, visuals, and sensory informations. The Blue Eyes technology aims to creating a computational machines that have perceptions and sensory of human beings. The machine can understand what a user wants, where he is looking at, and even realize his physical or emotional states. How can make computers see and feel in the Blue Eyes technologies? Blue Eyes using sensing technology to identify user action and it extracts key informations. Once the information is extracted, they analyzed to determine the user's physical, emotional, or informational state. There are some technologies used in these Blue Eyes technologies. Mainly, these are the two components. The one is hardware components, another one is software components. The hardware part of comprises of the data acquisition unit and central system unit and JAS multi-sensor. So data acquisition unit is a mobile part of the Blue Eye system. It's a responsibility of to fetch psychological data from the sensor and send it to the central systems. For example, the personal ID, PIN code, and provide some other authorized operations. The communications with the operator is carried of using a simple 5-key keyboard, a small LCD, and a paper. JAWS multi-sensor is an eye movement sensor to provide on necessary psychological data in data acquisition unit. It is also supplies a raw digital data regarding eye position, the level of blood oxygen, accelerations along horizontal and vertical axis, and ambient light intensity. The central system unit, the hardware is the second pair of wireless connections. The box contains a Bluetooth module and PCM codec for voice data transmissions. The module is transferred to a system using a parallel serial and USB cable. The audio data is obtained through the standard mini jack sockets. To program the operator's ID cards, we develop a simple programming devices. The second thing is the software components. The software system comprises of connection manager, data analysis model, visualization model. The connection manager is a software section. It is responsible for the handling the wireless communication between the mobile data acquisition unit and central system unit. The connection manager manages communications with the CSU hardware searching for new devices is covered ranging establishing the Bluetooth connections, authentication, incoming data, buffering and sending alerts. Data analysis model, it performs the analysis of raw sensor data to obtain information about the operator's psychological conditions. The separately running data analysis model supervises each of the working operator. Visualization model. The visualization model, it enables them to watch of the working operator geological conditions along with the preview, the second video source and their recorded audio file. All the incoming alarm messages are instantly signaled to the supervisor. The visualization model can be set into an offline mode where all the data is fetched from the database, watching all the recorded psychological parameters such as alarms, videos, and audio data. The main components of the system overview in Blue Eyes technology, the supervisor is able to reconstruct the course, the selected operator's duty, hardware system overview. There are some sensors used in this technology to measure the emotion of persons. Technologies used in Blue Eyes technologies. The following technologies are used in the Blue Eyes technologies: emotion mouse, manual and gas input cascaded, which is commonly known as a magic, artificial intelligence speech recognition, that is ASIR, simple user interest tracker, shooter, the eye movement sensor. How was the term Blue Eyes coined? Blue in this term stands for Bluetooth, which enables reliable wireless communication. Eyes in the terms of eye movement enable us to obtain a lot of interesting and important information. So, what is meant by blue eyes? It's a technology which aims at creating computational machines that have perceptual and sensory abilities like those of human. Techniques of blue eyes technologies. Emotional mouse, national manual and gas input cascading, that is magic pointing, artificial intelligence speech recognition. These are the three techniques of blue eyes technologies. And the first one is emotional mouse. It acquires psychological information and passionate state, for example, heartbeat, pressure, temperature, and so forth through the pinch of the client on mouse by various sensors. Manual and gas input cascading, that is magic pointing. A webcam is utilized to rapidly decide and understudies of the client under the factor and practical lightning conditions and wrap the cursor to each new object's clients. At this point, the client assumes responsibility for the objective by hand close to the objective or overlooks it and quiets for next one. Artificial intelligence and speech recognition is more important in the Blue Eyes technology components. The client addresses the system through mouthpiece and the discourse that gets shifted and put away in RAM. The information words are examined and coordinated against the inside put away words. Types of emotion sensors used in Blue Eyes technology for hand, emotion mouse for eye, expression glass for face, facial recognition system for voice, voice recognition system. Advantages to reduce manual work, to reduce psychological condition monitoring, visual attention monitoring. Disadvantages 100% not accurate, expensive, the system is bulky, needs some minimization. Why a blue eyes? A blue eyes are used to avoid and reduce human limitations like tiredness, oversight, mental illness. So, we human sit in front of the computer for a long time. It results in tiredness or oversight mental illness. So that to reduce these limitations, we can use a computer installed with a blue eyes technologies. The blue eyes technologies can be used to less mental illness of the human beings to build a machine that can understand your emotions, verifying, identify feels or a presence in interact with us. So for these limitations, to overcome these limitations, a blue eyes technology can be used. The basic idea behind this technology is to give computer human power, the state of the eyebrow, state of the eye, state of the furrows, state of the cheek, state of the lips. For six different phases, different emotional pictures. Finally, conclusion provide more user friendly facilities in computing devices. Gap between the electronic and the physical world is reduced. The computer can be run using implicit commands instead of the explicit commands. Thank you.